Now look at my elbows. So that was something that I noticed in my videos too, that I have to teach you guys. Like when you're doing something, your body position matters. Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here. So I have to tell you, when you have good product in your hair is gonna come out really good. Every day when you take a shower at night, just put your hair up, put a cap on, but you could let your hair go for 4 or 5 days. If you take a bath, just put your hair up, but the water makes your hair even better too. But anyway, because I still have the curl cream in here, I want to show you, like, I woke up and my hair still looks like this, but that's because I have good product in it. Yes, I still have to do a few things to it, and I have this little curl brush so that it could just give it a little more body, but I wanted to show you I got my eyebrows done. I got microblading. Look how good they came out. I didn't have to touch, so I'm gonna come up real close so you could see she did strokes of hair, so it looks like hair, but it's so cool because I don't have to put anything on them anymore. My eyebrows are so see-through. I'm gonna go close. You could really see them. See those little strokes she has in there? Is so cool. I mean, it looks so amazing. I'm super impressed and super happy. Love, love, love them. And her name is Mariah. I could put her link in if anybody wants to know. If you live in New Jersey, she was awesome. She's in Woodland, so she was great. But listen, I do have some hairspray and stuff in there, but a lot of times I like to comb that stuff out every day. Like when I wake up, I just brush my hair. And then this is perfect because it's just a easy brush curling iron that, like, you know, I don't feel like taking a blow dryer and a brush. I could, but this is just even easier. And I will just put that little more volume in there. And of course, we're always aiming to have the height and volume here. And then this you could have less. You could have it more around your face so it's not a bubble. If I did this all full and everything all full, sometimes it turns into a bubble. So unless you want the bubble. Sometimes the bubble looks good, but most of the time you want this a little flatter, and yeah. And so here, if I wanted to make this straighter and feathered, I could too, but I really love my hair more curly. I just love curly hair. Okay, now I'm gonna take this and go forward. Now look at my elbows. So that was something that I noticed in my videos too, that I have to teach you guys. Like when you're doing something, your body position matters, right? So you need to have your elbows up. Right now on this side, I could turn it this way and then grab it and roll it in there, or I could do it with my hand up here and pull it forward and roll it. I have a little bit more, I want to say, power because I'm a righty, and my shoulder, you know, because I had the issues with my shoulder, but it's getting better because I've been doing some physical therapy for quite some time. All right, so, you know, that's that. And now I want to do my bangs too. Take them, my nice eyebrows. I love my eyebrows, I'm so happy. And you know, she did them brown because I don't want them really dark. And now look at, my both hands are up, okay? So I'm taking that, pulling it up. Now listen, the heat and the brush is easy. You're just rolling it. Now I'm just gonna slightly turn to to the side, and then I wanna, like, you know, I always like heat it and then place it. Heat it and then place it. Yeah. And then I like to do a little tease right there. All right, and then what are we gonna do on the sides? So, a couple things. You guys know I love my Formula 18, my buddy. Now I want to teach you something about Formula 18 that's really important to know. When you highlight and color hair, it is, I want to say, pH balance of like 9, 10. When you highlight, it goes to 11, 12, 13 is like the highest. So if you're like a double processed blonde, you've put a pH balance in your hair that's like really high, and that's not good. It'll be dry, like hay, right? Or a horse's tail. So I want you to see on this Formula 18, and you know I've explained this before, this pH in this leave-in conditioner is 3.5 to 4.5. Now, our natural pH to make your hair look super healthy and well is 4.5 to 5.5. The reason why this is so good is because if you're at a 13, a double processed blonde, Or you're like me, I have a color, I have touch up. I usually do something called break the base, and then I do highlights on my hair. So it's like extra stuff. And when I had a perm on it, I definitely had to do that. With a perm on top of all that, it was like at a level pH 13. So I had to bring it back down. That's why I love to use this every single day, Formula 18. I don't have a link for it. I don't even know if it's on my website for Modern Techniques, but I just tell you, this is my baby and I love it, love it, love it. We will see if Amazon sells it. I don't know, but if they do, I'll put the link in so that you can get it. But it is by far, because just think 3.5 to 4.5, if you're at a 13, it's going to take you down so that you could have that good balance in your hair so it's not dry. You know, a lot of hair that has highlights and all that kind of stuff needs moisture, you know, so it looks healthy. And of course, you know, I take my hair vitamins. They're my favorite, hair vitamins. I love that. And I like to just tease this a little because I do like this a little higher, but it made it nice and smooth. Just tease it a little bit, because I like that fuller and voluminous back here. And then I like everything more flatter in the front. Now I could take the curl iron and do that, but I really like it better curly. So I just spray this in and re-scrunch it. I'm reactivating the curl cream. You gotta get the bottom too. And trust me, I need a haircut, but I'm not doing it because I'm just gonna keep letting it grow and see how great those vitamins work. I want my hair long, long, long. So it is definitely grown, but I like it curly, so I scrunch it back up a little bit. But look how much it's grown, right? So I want it to about down there. That's like my favorite spot for my hair, even though a lot of people love my hair short, but then some people love it better long. All right, so I'm gonna go here. Look how thick it got though. It is so thick. And because I get perms and I do highlights and all that, it's not always so easy to keep your hair super healthy, but taking hair vitamins, using the right products will make your hair phenomenal. Listen, just like your body needs good nutrition, health and wellness, right? We need vitamins. When I juice every day, I do celery juice or I do carrots, kale and apple. I juice for my little granddaughter because you need those enzymes for the body. You know, our body needs them, but your hair needs good vitamins and enzymes as well. And trust me, your hair is like separate from your body in a sense. It's living. You could put it in a garden and it makes your garden grow better. That's how powerful your hair is. All right, but it needs extra specific vitamins to make it stronger and better. So I'm very happy with how fast it's growing, with the thickness of my hair, how full that the bottom is getting out. Listen, top, I'm kind of always got full, but the bottom didn't. So now the bottom is so thick and full, and that's what I'm loving, yeah. All right, and that's my favorite way to really do my hair is just to scrunch it, and then I'll let it dry because I'm reactivating the curl cream. And that's the Davines curl cream. That is on my website. I know people are asking me lots of questions. They ask me about my blush too. So I kind of use not always the same thing either. I'm gonna show you my blush because I put the one in there, but sometimes I'll use different ones. So I use this one too, super natural. I like everything natural, guys. I like things more natural. NARS is really good. And this is the color of it. And I just put a little tiny bit, and then I don't know if you could see the back. That's that. And then I use this one too. This is even more natural. And look. Let me show you what color that is. I love this one too because it's very soft and natural. Okay, so that makes it the more beigey. But then when I need a little pinky in there, I use that one. So I'll use that one over here, and then I use the pinker one over here. And so those are the other two. But I do have another one that I use sometimes too. So it all depends on what is near me and what I'm wearing, and you know, colors go with certain, you know, outfits that you have. So anyway, this is Coach Kimmy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.